Okay. Hello, lovely travelers. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today, I have for you on this season everything Carnival. I'm going to give you the update on the brand new island, the new ships that's coming in, and all there is to Carnival. So go ahead, click that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and let's jump right into it. So as you guys know, we are jumping right into the heat of the summer, and some of you guys are looking for the perfect way to adventure out on a cruise. Well, I'm going to show you just why I am partnered with Carnival Cruise Line. Right now, in May of 2025, yes, this year, they just launched a brand new island exclusively in the Bahamas. They are also the official partner for St. Jude. So you guys, I'm going to put a little link right here if you want to learn more about Carnival and what they have to offer with St. Jude and how they give back to this organization. But not only that, they give back to now Bahamas. That is their exclusive island right now. They are going to be there for the summer. They have so many different home ports, so we'll talk about that a little bit more. But if you are not familiar with Carnival, comment below and say, I want to know more. If you have been with Carnival or you've cruised with Carnival, comment below the cruise ship that you went on. Now, if you have been with Carnival, then you know their XL class is like no other. The XL class is actually a fleet powered by eco-friendly liquefied natural gas. Yes, that means that they are not giving out pollution while they're on the ocean. They are trying to give back as much as possible in the water as well. So the three ships that, if you didn't know, that are XL classes are going to be Jubilee, Celebration, and Mardi Gras ship. So if you have ever cruised on any of those before, you have cruised on an XL class ship. Now, they are launching 2 more XL class ships in 2027 and 2028. So if you are wanting to know more information on what the XL class offers, I'll give you just a little tip. They provide you all the tips plus a little bit more. They have elevated staterooms. They have relaxing retreats. It makes you feel like you're just somewhere above the oasis. You still get those thrilling experiences, but you also get specialty dining and unique lounges and bars that you wouldn't find in any other ship. So now, why is Carnival the most trusted cruise line for you guys? It's because they have 20 different ports. That's 13 in the U.S. and 7 international ports. That allows you to have over 200 destinations across 60 different countries. That is a lot, you guys. Most people think that they only do the Caribbean, but they do so much more than that. And like I said, with those 4th and 5th class ships coming in, you guys want to stay tuned to see what more updates that Carnival is coming soon for. So now, like I promised, I want to let you guys know about the new island and all the different zones that it has to offer so that you know what to expect and why this is the most exciting adventure for the summer. But before we jump in, I want to let you know, I am currently promoting these brochures. If you want to get a visitor guide fully explained about the ships, about the island, and so much more, contact me at boyostravel.org so that you can get your own personal brochure sent to you by mail, and we can go ahead and start planning your next adventure.
We have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site. We've got something to share. We're really proud of our product and are excited to make it available on our website. Check it out now.
So now we're going to jump into Carnival's new island. This is going to be where you can discover the keys to paradise. Yes, I said paradise because this is somewhere where you can actually explore the island and explore just the water, the whole experience in one. I'm going to start by taking you to Paradise Plaza. This is where the adventure begins. You're going to start here and you're going to be able to reserve your cabana for any of the zones. You're going to be able to book your excursions ahead of time so that you know and plan ahead when that time is. Once you leave Paradise Plaza, as you see, it's a beautiful oasis. You're going to see so much once you get in there. But if you go over to the left, you're going to discover the Starfish Lagoon. This is the largest, I said that because it is the largest in the Caribbean. And so you're going to get so much freshwater lagoon, access to water sports, paddleboarding, just all the types of fun. But if you're still wanting the beach, they also have that access for some relaxation. And then also if you're looking for some activities to do, they have that sports court over to the side for you to experience. Now taking you over to the left side of the island the right side. The right side of the island is going to be your Calypso Lagoon. This lagoon is going to be a little bit of an oasis for everybody. This is your family-friendly zone. This has your cocktail bar for your adults, but it also has your private cabanas to where you can rent these out and have this for the whole family, and you guys can spread out an adventure as you want. They have 2 full-service restaurants here in this area, as well as an adult-only section, so that you'll be taken care of as well. Now, if you were to want to enhance your stay, or say you weren't with the kids or want to see any kids at all, that's possible here at Celebration Key. If you were to go to the Pearl Cove area, this is the beach club access where adults only are allowed. Yes, this allows your infinity pool, which gives you that luxury access. They have swim up bars for your social activities, and even a restaurant just for the adults. They also have your stunning views if you're just wanting to be there and relax at the beach. This is just a perfect way for you guys to experience the island in whole. Now, I'm not done yet. I want to take you to the most special part of the island, and this is catered to the locals still around the island. Like I said, this is exclusive to the Carnival cruise line, but it doesn't mean that it is excluded. That means that they still have Bahamian locals on the island. So they bring them in on the Loco Cove. This is the area that is known and named after the early settlers in the Bahamas. Here you'll find kiosks, stores, little straw markets, and local artists. These are where you're going to be able to go and purchase just like you were at the market in the Bahamas anywhere else. They still allow you to see so much live music, entertainment, and still be able to purchase things from the locals, just like you would anywhere else. So I want to make sure that I highlight that here in Celebration Key, you are going to find something for everybody. Now, this is going to be somewhere, like I said, your home port destination is not going to be limited. There is so many places where you can get access to Carnival, to Celebration Key with Carnival. We're going to take a look at some of the home ports and itineraries that you could book today and get your family started with the Celebration Key adventure. So what you're going to do is take a look at these destinations, and when you find one that you like, you're going to shoot in the comments the home port that looks the most appealing to you. I will go ahead and start your personal quote for you guys. If you want to go ahead and get that quote ahead of time quickly, make sure that you're going to bogostravel.org so that you can start your consultation and quote as soon as possible. So as you see, Miami takes you to the Bahamas. They take you to the Eastern Caribbean and the Western Caribbean. They have so many different days. So if you're looking for a short weekend getaway all the way to a week, they have that for you available. As well as Galveston, they are taking you to Texas down south. You can go to the Eastern Caribbean and the Bahamas. They also have the itinerary. These itineraries all have Celebration Key included for your stay so that you can experience this island. If you're looking for Florida, they have I can never say this one right. Port Carnival. Okay, y'all know, y'all see it. But they have so many different itineraries for Florida, Jacksonville. They have Mobile, Alabama. If you're looking to go to the Bahamas, a little weekend getaway, this is a very cute, affordable, fun activity for you to do. All the way up into Manhattan. They have Manhattan, Eastern Caribbean. You can go into the Celebration Key. I wanted to highlight the New Orleans. They have one in New York. But now, taking you to a little bit more than Celebration Key. As you guys see, they have tons of itineraries for you to choose from for you to get to this island. But I have a lot of people that ask me, what other places can I go to without a passport? And one of those islands that you could go to is going to be Hawaii. And Carnival has just that. They have itineraries catered to Hawaii, and for you to be able to island hop and get around all of the islands and see all of the amazing nature that these different islands have to offer. So if you go to Long Beach, Seattle, San Francisco, so looking on the West Coast, we can get you flights over to the West Coast so that you can make it to this port. Don't limit yourself just because you're on the East Coast that you have to go on an East Coast port. I want you guys to understand that cruising is not limited to your surroundings. You can cruise wherever you would like, and I want you guys to understand that it is possible, and that's what I'm here for. So I want to show you guys just a little bit more to broaden your horizon. Maybe you didn't even know that Carnival offered these itineraries. So take a look, just like in Sydney, Australia. If you wanted to take a look to go to Fiji, this is the perfect itinerary for you, where you could see Fiji and the South Pacific all in one. Another one I can show you is going to be the Singapore. If you're looking for a Southeast Asia experience, this is going to be beginning in Singapore. We can fly you there, and we can even do a pre-post cruise. That means pre-hotel, meaning you can stay the night at a hotel before the cruise, and that way you can experience the city in where you're at before you actually start the cruise. A post-cruise is the same thing. Say you wanted to stay in the city after the cruise so that you're able to experience just a little bit more that the city had to offer at the home port. So another place that you could do that at is Barcelona. Barcelona has two unique ones that I wanted to highlight with the itineraries. If you're looking for transatlantic, meaning just a bunch of different itineraries, Europe is going to be another, just a bunch of different cities in your itinerary. But we're not limited to that. There is so much other different itineraries. So if you want to know more places that Carnival goes to, make sure you contact me specifically, or you go ahead and go to bogostravel.org, contact me, let me know you want a brochure so that you can look at it yourself and see the amazing features that Carnival has to offer. So with all of this in there, I want to leave with you guys Carnival's dedication and commitment to the military. If you are an active or retired military, they offer special rates for you guys, and so make sure you guys are contacting me personally so that I can provide you with those details. If you are a teacher or a first responder, they also offer some special rates for you guys throughout the year. So make sure you guys are checking in with me so that I can always provide you with the most updated specials. Right now, I also want to say, if you guys have been following me since the beginning, you know that I've been with Carnival for a long time. I don't pretty much promote cruises because I want you guys to feel the need to inform me on what you know. I've had a lot of people ask me about Carnival, so that's why I am letting you guys know. I am specialized in Celebration Key. I am specialized, and I went and learned about this for you guys so that you can get the confidence when traveling. If you have a destination or if you have a supplier that you want to know more about, that's my job. I'm here to give you guys the confirmation to be able to travel with you're in Europe. I am tripping on my words today. How want you to be able to travel within your own luxury? And that is with Brochures Travel. We are your travel specialist here. We're more than just booking your travels. We're here to provide you education, research, and confidence when it comes to travel. So I'll leave that with you today. If you have liked this video, or if I've gave you some information you haven't heard of, please give this video a like and share this with your friends and family who's looking to take a cruise vacation. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.